Today for the Bitcoin price, guys, look at this. We made it. Bitcoin broke out exactly to my price target of 16,000 US dollars. And the question right now is, am I out of my trades? Did I take profits? And what exact price targets and moves am I predicting here for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term? Well, I want to shed light a little bit on whether this here is already the high for Bitcoin or whether we are going to break through to even higher price targets. You have to watch this video until the very end, because I will be also quickly talking about Ethereum, because Ethereum is breaking out right now exactly as predicted. And the question is, of course, what are my next potential price targets here for Ethereum? I am going to reveal all of that in this video. I will be showing you my trade on Bybit here, 156,000 US dollars in a profit. My trade on Phemex, look at this, it is closed right now. I will be showing you exactly here my profit and loss history on this account. I will be showing you my profit of 180,000 US dollars on this specific trade, where I took profits here below the 16,000 US dollar levels. And I have another trade. I will be showing you my exact game plan for these trades and for potential future trades for Bitcoin right now. And also, guys, don't forget this here in the pin comment, we have 610 US dollars for limited time. It is a free bonus here only with our link. This is literally the highest bonus you can find on whole crypto YouTube here. If you use our link in the pin comment, you can get 610 US dollars completely for free as an experienced trader. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Thank you so much for your support. Yesterday we got more than 6,000 likes on this video. Thank you so much for that. And with that being said, welcome to friends and welcome back to MMCrypto. My name is Chris, and as always we are really pumped to go straight into the content. Alright guys, and as always we are starting here on the 4-hourly candles for the Bitcoin price. And look at this, guys, we literally made it. Bitcoin exactly went up as predicted, and also exactly to my price target of 16,000 US dollars. And now the question is this the blow off top? Is this the end of the rally? What am I specifically looking out for the next price targets for Bitcoin? And more importantly, what am I doing with my current trades and where am I planning to make my future trades? Well, this is exactly what I want to be talking about today. Watch this video until the end. I have some news here also about the Ethereum price, and whether you are interested in Ethereum or not, this is certainly something you should see, so wait for this. First of all, I want to talk about the Bitcoin price here, and if we recap a little bit, I mean literally every single pattern you can see here, it exactly broke out as predicted and always exactly to our price targets. And what you can see here, and this is the most important thing, you remember how I mentioned yesterday and in many videos I was calling for the 16,000 for a very long time already. I mentioned 16,100 US dollars as a potential price target, and I also mentioned I would be taking profits before this price target, and this is exactly what I did. I will go over to my trades. I will show you exactly how I took profits below the 16,000 price target, and you can see here we hit the level. And you know what, guys, before I continue and I talk about my next price targets and my future expectations for Bitcoin, I want to show you this little clip here from yesterday. Look at this. The question is, what could be the next price target? And for this, I want to pull out this. So if we go with the Fibonacci extension level from the swing high to the swing low, then you can basically see, let's go in here, this here seems to be the next price target. The question is, what is this price target? Well, I can tell you that this price target would be the 16,100. So according to Da Vinci, 16,500. I am personally looking out for the 16,148 US dollar price level. But one thing I want to tell you, you saw it, and I am putting my money always where my mouth is. I am taking profits below price targets. The ways are looking at it, the exchanges are looking at it. Everyone knows when they are watching our videos where is the reasonable price target to take. So if you get my message here, I'm personally taking profits way below the potential price targets. And as you can see, we exactly broke out and Bitcoin hit perfectly my price target here. So congratulations for everyone who took the trade, who took some profits here. I saw so many people making so many profits in the live video. Some people making $100,000 profits, 200,000, 500,000. Thank you so much for that. And whether it's $50 or $50,000, it is amazing that you are making profits along the lines, that you are not greedy and that you are taking profits over here. If you want to give anything back, I mean, guys, for sure, yesterday you got 6,000 likes. Smash up the like button for that video as well. And now I want to tell you something. So let me go over, let me zoom out a little bit. And what you can see here, the reason why I was quoting the 16,000 US dollar price target, and the reason why I am saying right now, this is the moment we should get very cautious, because if I pull out the Fibonacci retracement level from the all-time high down to the bear market low, then you can see something interesting. And I mean, guys, you cannot make it up. First of all, we had the blow off top here in June 2019 at the golden pocket, as you can see it right here exactly. Then we saw Bitcoin respecting the price, but eventually breaking through. But you cannot make it up. Look at this. This is exactly what I predicted since a few days. The Bitcoin price went up perfectly to the next Fibonacci retracement level, exactly the level I mentioned earlier here at the 78.6, 15,900 US dollars. It is not perfectly put in right here. It is actually, let me go over here to the all-time high, approximately the 16,000 US dollar level. And I mentioned earlier, I would be taking here early, I would be taking profits rather below the level, but we hit exactly the 16,000. And I want to talk about my next price levels for Bitcoin, my next price targets for Bitcoin. But first of all, I want to show you my trades, because if I'm going over here to the trade on Phemex, you can see this trade is closed. This was the highest profit trade. This was actually the trade I opened at 11,760 US dollars. If I'm going over here to my closed positions, you can see that this trade here at 680,000 contracts is actually closed here at 11 Bitcoin, at 11.7 Bitcoin profit over there. I'm very happy about that one, and I'm happy to take profits. I took full profits on this trade. I scaled out completely at 15,850 US dollars below the price target, just as I mentioned before. And here you can see also my trading history. These are my recent trades on Phemex so far, and this is just my account on Phemex. I am still having trades open. I took full profits here at the 16,000 US dollar level, slightly below, but I am still having a trade open here over on Bybit. And you can see here 150,000 US dollars in a profit, 650% in a profit, but this one has a lower entry price, 10,850. So my game plan was take profits on the trade with a higher entry price, and with the trade with 10,800 US dollar entry price, this is the price where I'm actually going to take profits after the video, but also I am holding this position for longer open. But right now I think it is at least more likely that we are maybe topping out here, at least in the short term, because we perfectly hit here the Fibonacci retracement level. But now, guys, this is what everyone was waiting for. What are my next price targets? First of all, I want to tell you, please be cautious. I took profits here, a big chunk of profits, actually 180,000 US dollars in profit. I took it here exactly below the 16,000 US dollar level, and I'm holding some of my positions open, at least a small part of it, just in case Bitcoin goes higher. And this is what I want to tell you. There is a higher likelihood now that we are topping out. But if we are going higher, of course, we need a new price target to take a look at. And this is what I want to show you here. The 78.6 was at the 16,000 US dollar level. And the next reasonable one, there is nothing in between. It is just the all-time high. And this is why I want to tell you, like, if the all-time high is the next reasonable price target, we have to get very cautious here, guys, of course. And I want to tell you one thing where I could think there is potential resistance coming in, could be possibly here the next high we actually formed in January here, approximately at the 17,100 US dollar level. Also remember the 16,500 Da Vinci J15 mentioned yesterday. But one thing is for sure, Bitcoin is going vertical here while we have uncertainty in the elections. So when Bitcoin is going vertically here, this is not the moment to open new position, guys. This is the moment to take some profits. This is the reason why I'm making this video, and I just want to tell you, please stay level-headed here. And yes, this is my exact game plan. You know my future price targets, you know where I took profits, and of course you also know my position on Bybit, which I'm still holding open. I'm going to raise my stop losses, and of course also I am going to take profits here very soon. So in total I have $180,000 in profit on Phemex, just for transparency here, 150 50,000 on Bybit, and on my other Phemex position, if I switch over to my main account on my Phemex position, and then we can see I am having here 140,000 US dollars in a profit on my long-term trade. So overall, approximately $500,000, 470,000 US dollars in profit, from which 180,000 US dollars are already realized profits. And if you also want to be trading on Bybit or Phemex, before I'm going here into Ethereum and some juicy news about Bitcoin here, wait here until the very end. If you want to be trading on Bybit and Phemex also like I'm doing it, only do it if you're an experienced trader. Don't rush into trades like crazy, guys. Please be cautious right now. But if you want to secure the highest bonus on YouTube, go over to the pinned comment, and if you're going here, you can see you can get $610. This is literally the highest bonus on whole crypto YouTube in the pinned comment. If you click this specific link, you will not find any higher bonus here on this specific exchange. If you click the link, you make your own account, email address, password, you get your own account. After your first initial deposit, you get $610 US dollars. Look, this code here, you can put it in the rewards hub as well, $610 US dollars. Make sure you take advantage of that if you're an experienced trader, and you can take this bonus. You can wait on the sidelines, and when there's a new position opening up, you can only take the bonus, $600 at the 20x leverage. This is 12,000 US dollars trade completely for free. So please take advantage of that if you're an experienced trader, and also if you want to support us here along the lines as well. It is an affiliate link. Thank you so much for your support. And this is the last note here. This is very, very important for me specifically here, because Ethereum had recently, I announced on Twitter actually that I am going to scale into Ethereum. I announced it a few days ago. Make sure you check it out if you want to see it, approximately at 405 US dollars. Ethereum is right now pumping, and the question is this the beginning of a new parabolic run towards the upside? Well, let's talk about that. First of all, you can see that Ethereum is right now also going through the Fibonacci golden pocket. The next potential price target would be here at the 78.6, approximately at the 450 US dollar level, a resistance level I was actually pointing out since weeks, since ages, because this one is actually also validated throughout the last few years. But the question is, where's Ethereum going to go if we are breaking the 450 US dollar level? Well, let me pull out here the Fibonacci level here from the swing high to the swing low once again, because this is exactly what Ethereum is usually respecting. And then you can see the first level, we already broke it finally here at the 400 US dollar level. And after we broke the 400 US dollar level, the next potential price target could be possibly here the 580 US dollar level, approximately at the 38.6. So these are the levels I am looking out for Ethereum right now. You know that I scaled into Ethereum, and I want to make sure that I am here when finally Ethereum 2.0, something I was waiting for more than 3 years, is coming. I am holding only a few percent of my portfolio in Ethereum. Let it be 3%. If I'm bumping it up now to 4 or 5%, of course not. I'm not going all in. So don't get me wrong here. But I think that Ethereum could be having something very interesting unfolding, especially if I'm going over here to the 4-hourly candles. You can see we have here a potential W. We had here potential W unfolding for Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking bullish right now, and this is the reason why I'm trading it, and this is the reason why I'm scaling a little bit into Ethereum. If you appreciate these updates, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for liking the video. Yesterday's video got 6,000 likes and 99% like to dislike ratio. We are breaching all records. This is unseen in whole crypto YouTube. Thank you so much for your support. It is completely amazing to see how much profits you are making, to see that you are liking the video, supporting us here. It is amazing to see. Thank you so much for that. And also thank you so much for supporting us and for using here this link for the highest bonus on YouTube in the pinned comment down below. And with that being said, guys, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, click the subscription box right here, and also click the Bybit tutorial if you haven't watched it already right there. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.